Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are back at Universal Orlando Resort. We are going to be heading into Islands of Adventure to eat at Mythos restaurant once again to give you guys an updated tour and review. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Today we are visiting Mythos restaurant at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. Today we will be dining in for lunch for the first time in over a year. We are excited to once again try out the famous Mythos cocktails, appetizers, and entrees. So let's get checked in for our reservation. Alright guys, so we have made it to Mythos. They're opening just here in a couple minutes. We did make a reservation for 11, which is when they open. I would definitely recommend making a reservation if you can, just so you have guaranteed seating. But I think they have a menu posted here outside. Let's go check it out right fast. Alright guys, so it's actually a digital menu that they have out here now, and you can scan, it'll take you to Universal's website. But right now it's showing the entrees, starters, and soups and salads. But we'll show you guys the full menu once we get inside. Alright guys, so we are getting seated right now. We'll show you the menu in just a second. Alright guys, so we've never got to sit over here before, but I'll show you the menu right quick. We have our starters, soups and salads, entrees, handhelds, and then we have our specialty drinks, wines, bottled beers, draft beers, and our non-alcoholic and bottled water options, as well as some mocktails. Alright guys, so we have decided on what we are getting. We're going to try the lamb meatballs for the first time, and for our entrees, I'm going to go with the fork, knife, and spoon grilled cheese, which I have gotten before, and Seth is going to go with the couscous bowl. And I'm going to get one of my favorites, the Mythos Potion of the Gods. Alright guys, so here are our lamb meatballs. We've never gotten these before, but they look delicious. And also, we have our Jessica and the View crew. They're going to have some lunch with us. So I think you guys, did you all get the chicken? You got the bacon burger. Yep. Okay, yeah, the grilled chicken. Okay, so we'll see their opinions of their food once we get it. And here is my Potion of the Gods drink. I'm very excited to try this again. It's been a little while since I've gotten to order this, but we'll let you guys know once our entrees get here. Alright guys, so we just got our food. Here is my grilled cheese. As you can see, why you need a spoon, fork, and a knife, because you have your tomato paste and the sandwich is pretty big, so you're going to need to cut that up. But also, we have Seth's couscous bowl, and again, he's never gotten this before, but it looks delicious, almost really fresh looking. So we'll let you guys know what we think of these in just a bit. Alright guys, so we are almost done. So they wanted to give us the dessert menu just to see if we wanted anything. Looks like we have 3 options: chocolate hazelnut creme brulee, chocolate banana gooey cake, and a graham cracker bread pudding. Since we're here for lunch, I don't think we're going to try anything for dessert just because we're pretty full. But if anything, I would probably try that graham cracker bread pudding. And then on the back, they also had a list of their specialty drinks again. So if you wanted one for the road, you could get one and take it out into the parks with you. Alright guys, so here is our check, just showing you how much everything was. We did get to use our annual pass, which took off $6.50. Alright guys, so now that we are finished with our meal, we wanted to take you around to the back side of the restaurant because there's some pretty cool views from back there, so let's go. So to get back here, you just follow the little walking path over the bridge here. But first, I'm going to stop on the bridge to show you guys the view of Velocicoaster, which will get a closer view in just a moment once we go a little bit further. But we also have Me Ship the Olive. And then as we come around the corner, you can see a perfect shot of the Hulk. And as we go all the way down, here is that closer shot of Velocicoaster that I was just mentioning, and that's perfect timing, going over the top hat there. So this is a really cool shot if you wanted to get some with your cell phone. And then lastly, the view from back here is the outside seating. No one's sitting out here right now just because it's still a little bit early. But also, right over here, we have another statue, which is a very cool photo op for you and your family, especially if you want to eat here at Mythos. Alright guys, so got back to our room and wanted to review our trip to Mythos. So everything was really good. We got the lamb meatballs, which we've never gotten before, and those were actually pretty good. They weren't my favorite type of meatballs. I guess I don't even know if I've ever had lamb. It was a little bit, maybe a little bit tough, I guess, in my opinion. Again, I don't know. I don't think I've ever had lamb, but flavor-wise, it was pretty good. What did you think about those?
I thought they were really good.
Mm-hmm.
They were like, I guess the way they were grilled, they were like kind of tough on the outside, but the inside was like juicy and
good flavor.
Pretty tender. And then like the sauce, and I honestly don't remember what all the, like the couple different sauces that was around it. I know one was like a marinara type, and I can't remember what the white kind of sauce was, but I mean, both of those combined with that was pretty good.
Made the flavor better.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for my entree, I got the spoon, fork, and knife grilled cheese, as well as a potion of the gods for my drink. And I've gotten that sandwich before, and it is a little bit off-putting when you first see it, because they dress up the grilled cheese, and you know, it's got all those different types of cheeses in it, and they basically smack it right down in a plate of tomato puree. So you're kind of like, But the reason it's called that's because you need a spoon for the tomato sauce and a fork and knife to cut up that huge sandwich. And my potion of the gods was really good as well. Classic, nothing has changed about that. But I would definitely recommend getting the grilled cheese. It is something simple, and it does just taste like a fancy grilled cheese. So it's not, you know, too, I guess, out there as far as if you're wanting to try something new. It's probably going to be a pretty safe option. But what did you get?
I got the couscous bowl, and you can choose if you want chicken or beef. So I went with chicken, and it comes on a skewer, so they cook the chicken on the skewer. There was couscous. It had chickpeas, some olives, a couple other things that's escaping me, but
pita bread.
Yeah, and it had like 3 pieces of pita bread, like cut pieces to eat with it. I'm kind of glad that they did that, because it added a little something additional to that. But I actually thought it was good. I haven't got that before.
I don't know if they've always had that.
I'm not sure. But like all the flavors of each ingredient was like a great combination. And it was actually kind of like refreshing. I remember there was some cucumber in there. But like I said, it was a refreshing dish, and it wasn't too heavy. I really don't eat couscous that often, but I would actually consider getting that one again.
Yeah, and I tried it, and I thought it was just a bit bland, but I could tell what he was talking about as far as like the freshness, you know, and the easiness to stomach. It was very refreshing, like he said. But for me, I would have wanted just a bit more flavor. But overall, we had a great visit. Our friends that were with us, they got some chicken dishes, and they raved about those. It was their first time at Mythos, and they said that they really enjoyed it. It's going to be, I think, one of their new favorite stops. So we definitely recommend visiting if you can, and don't forget to make a reservation because those seats do fill up quick. But we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please be sure to like this video, comment, let us know if you've ever visited Mythos before, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Universal content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.